Hi, Steve Smith, Southern Maine Chrysler Dodge Jeep with stock number J8070A. This is a recently traded in 2009 Mercury Mariner. This is the upgraded Premier Edition. It has some great options and equipment. It is the V6 Duratec engine on this vehicle. Four-wheel drive equipped. This one is really a great crossover SUV here for New England. I'll tell you a little bit more about this one. The color is a lighter beige in color. It has that traditional Mercury front grille styling there for you. This has, like new, all-season radial tires on the multi-spoked wheel. In this case, this is a 16-inch wheel. Also, you'll notice the Ford family of products has a punch key security system here, which is available on this one on board for your convenience and security. Power windows, power locks. The interior of this Premier Edition is going to have a combination suede type insert with leather trim on the seat with power seating here for you. Leather wrapped wheel, automatic transmission, armrest cup holders here, a little bit of storage. This is also equipped with the Microsoft Sync system, which the Ford family offered some years ago and throughout their product line. It's going to have a navigation system on board as well as Bluetooth phone capacity. This has heated seats here to the front as well, and below you're going to see some access to the sync system with USB as well as an auxiliary plug. And there's traction control and a rear backup system here as well, which you can turn off if you choose to. Here to the right there is a button there for the low lighting ability here that they'll offer you some different type of evening lighting here just for your convenience and enjoyment here as you drive. Easy to operate, easy to read odometer dashboard area, very comfortable size vehicle. These are very popular. With partial roof rack on board, actually does have cross members there, so a full roof rack on board, chrome trim. Here in the back seat you can see seating for three with a 70-30 style split bench seat here to give you some different configurations for storage. Here in the back we're going to have a separate lift gate for the glass window lift. You're going to have rear wiper as well. There's a little push button here below to open up the back lift gate. And you'll notice a nice high load in for easy access to put things in. Easy to reach and to drop those seats there if you choose to get a little extra storage there for what you need to do. Also, you'll notice the backup sensors here with a hitch already on board this vehicle for your convenience. Just well equipped, well maintained. This is a beautiful vehicle here at Southern Maine Motors in our used car department. My name is Steve Smith. I'm in direct sales. I'll be happy to give you more information on this and schedule a test drive for you while it lasts. I can be reached at 207-282-4101. Steve Smith, Southern Maine Motors, Saco, Maine. And you can see this and all the other great cars, trucks, and SUVs available on our website at southernmainmotors.com.